I understand there's been a couple of questions about how to access the goal setting component where we're able to go in and reflect our part two, if you would, of TTESS before our summative evaluation. Easiest way to do it, go into Strive, choose Evaluations. Right here, the very first little area they've got is evaluation process goal setting, and it's got one task listed in it. You can actually do everything you need to within this little area. So you'll note I've got one T-test self-assessment and goals that I completed back in August. This is the one that I did so that my T-test evaluations could take place. It set the goals and all that I was going to try to achieve through the year. It's those reflection pieces and all kind of prepping for the teaching that's going to take place. All I have to do is click on this. As you can see, it's got all my filled out information from part one, and you scroll down a little bit and here's part two, goal reflection. This gives you a place for each of the goals that you listed up in the upper portion. You can come down and actually track how things went with the goals, if they're still in progress slightly, kind of explain that information. There's also a section down here for professional development plan, kind of just identifying some things that you may focus on as you go through the summer and into the next school year, as far as increasing well, your craft as a teacher. And then once you're done filling out these bits of information, all you have to do is just click Save. It'll update the revised on date to a new one. Very likely you'll have the submitted status changed as well. It's possible it won't change. If you want to be certain, though, that your appraiser knows that the update has been done, all you have to do is click right here where it says Send New Message, and click that, type a message to your appraiser, click Send, and they'll get a notification from you of that message, and pretty much let them know that, hey, I'm ready for my summative. And that's all there is.